मैं खाना खा चुका था. I had eaten the food. I had eaten the food. वह स्कूल जा चुका था. He had gone to school. He had gone to school. हम फिल्म देख चुके थे. We had watched the movie. We had watched the movie. तुमने अपना काम पूरा कर लिया था. You had completed your work. उन्होंने घर बना लिया था. They had built the house. They had built the house. वह सो चुका था. He had slept. मैंने किताब पढ़ ली थी. I had read the book. हम लोग बाजार जा चुके थे. We had gone to the market. We had gone to the market. उसने दरवाज़ा बंद कर लिया था. She had closed the door. She had closed the door. बच्चे खेल चुके थे. The children had played. The children had played. मैंने उसे पहले ही बता दिया था. I had already told him. I had already told him. तुम लोग वहाँ पहुँच चुके थे. You had reached there. You had reached there. उसने खाना बना लिया था. She had cooked the food. She had cooked the food. हमने परीक्षा दे दी थी. We had taken the exam. We had taken the exam. वह घर छोड़ चुका था. He had left the house. मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा था, इसीलिए मैं थक गया था. I had been studying for 2 hours, so I was tired. I had been studying for 2 hours, so I was tired. वह सुबह से बारिश का इंतज़ार कर रही थी. She had been waiting for the rain since morning. She had been waiting for the rain since morning. मैं लंबे समय से तुम्हारा इंतज़ार कर रहा था. I had been waiting for you for a long time. I had been waiting for you for a long time. वह पूरे दिन काम कर रहा था. He had been working all day. हम सुबह से यात्रा कर रहे थे. We had been traveling since morning. बच्चे दोपहर से शोर मचा रहे थे. The children had been making noise since afternoon. मैं कई सालों से यहाँ रह रहा था. मैं कई सालों से यहाँ रह रहा था. I had been living here for many years. I had been living here for many years. वह बहुत देर से फ़ोन कर रही थी. She had been calling for a long time. She had been calling for a long time. वे सुबह से इंतज़ार कर रहे थे. They had been waiting since morning. मैं काफ़ी देर से लिख रहा था. I had been writing for quite some time.